Oh my god.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens.
What's going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to Project Zangetsu, Season 2. I'm only calling it Season 2 because we've been off air for so long, for which I really, honestly and truly apologize for. Some unforeseen circumstances came my way. My life became incredibly complicated towards the end of last year, and there were some really difficult and compelling decisions that I was forced to make, and some things that were going on that needed my immediate and undivided attention. That's something that I will be explaining a bit later on. But about today's video, as you know, if you've watched the trailer that I put up recently, Zangetsu is currently undergoing surgery. I do have a transmission problem. My thrust bearing has gone faulty. It actually happened last year. I tried to have a company called JDM Performance replace the faulty part, but yeah, they were a bit of a shady company, just to put it frankly and simply. They ended up screwing me over, basically. I paid them for what needed to be done for the job. They took the money before they finished, and they left the car incomplete. Ty and I had to, if you guys have watched last season, you'll remember Ty. Ty and I had to actually finish the job for them, putting the suspension and everything back together, thinking that that was all that was left when we found the car. But it turns out that the thrust bearing itself wasn't properly repaired either. So the car is currently being taken care of by the boys over at Engine Laboratories. Donovan Van Eck, aka DJ Donovan White Diamond. Him and his crew are currently taking care of the car over at Engine Laboratories. I'll put up some B-roll footage right now if I can. And yeah, so I'm heading over there right now just to see some progress. He's got some things to talk to me about the car and how things are going. So far, those guys are taking really good care of me. It's been a really big change in terms of the customer service and communication aspect of things. They're doing that very well. They seem to enjoy the whole thing of taking video footage of what they're doing and sending it back to me. As I watch the video footage, it looks like they're actually having fun. So it's nice to know that they don't feel forced to do this just because they know I'm a YouTuber. They just took it upon themselves to film the footage and send it back to me. So that's great. So yeah, I'm on my way right now to them to go and check out the progress on the car, and then perhaps I'll explain a little bit more about what's happened in my absence.
I can show you here.
Okay.
That's what the starter is. Can't really see it now, but there we go. So the starter is completely loose.
Okay.
And yeah, there's the problem. As well as the battery, remember the battery terminals as well.
But yeah, they were very loose. Maybe
You know, like when you're building a car, eh?
Hey, dude.
It's a beautiful wheel and you can get 4 of
It
these.
is a nice wheel, eh?
Either spray them black or
Something like
something.
I'm planning on going 18.
18 is the way.
You know?
18 will work, yeah.
Now, will 18 and coilovers work? Because I get it is going to be less space now. Welcome back, guys. So I am here with a member of the Scooby Brothers, as I have told you about before. This is Daniel. He's their WhatsApp group admin, if I understand you correctly.
Instagram.
So we just met. I'm about to show you his car that I am insanely jealous of. That just puts Zangetsu to shame. But I will get there eventually. I'm gonna use him as inspiration. So yeah, man. Where can they find the Scooby Brothers group?
Well, you can find us on Instagram at Scooby Brothers, Scooby_Brothers, and yeah, and we also we're on YouTube now. You know, through your page, obviously,
And another one of the members.
Exactly. Yes. So yeah, so we, as well, like it's a young family, we're growing, expanding into different terrains. But yeah, Instagram is where we post most pictures, most videos, and our builds. So Instagram. I don't know if you can hear me with this mask.
Yeah, I hope so too. We sound like we're writing a kidnap video. You know, like send ransom.
You know what I'm saying?
Or you won't get your turbos back.
Exactly, the mafia.
So we can start from outside the car, do like a nice walk around. I've already taken some B-roll footage, so that's cool. So we can just basically, yeah, we are now by the car. Let's see, what do you wanna, let's have the front be the backdrop. Alright guys, welcome back. So as you can see, we are now by the car. This is Daniel's Pride and Joy. Do you have a name for your car?
Yeah, there's actually not an official name. Yeah, but no, but for a while it was, my Instagram handle is at a swag sensei, so this was the sensei. You know?
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
It's teaching you.
There we go. Yes.
That's dope. I'm kind of jealous. I thought I had a nice concept.
It's actually getting an official name.
I like the sensei part.
Yeah.
I like the sensei part.
It keeps the jet team.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, we still the flares.
Oh yes.
The flares, yeah.
Made it wider.
It's never wide enough. And then if you just zoom in there, I got the big spaces. It's like 50 more spaces just to get them to sit as flush as possible.
Sure. To get that fitment.
100% bring them here.
Oh, that's fucking nice fitment you got there,
Yeah,
man.
man. Like, look, I thought the ride would be a bit
Harsh.
and a bit vibrates a bit because of the. Well, actually, it's a good ride. It's,
Is it?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Good.
You know, like a bumper stick release.
Yeah, I see that.
Because I'm always taking it on and off.
Yeah. Have you got a front mount? Okay. Never mind.
Coming to the back, stripes.
Okay.
That light the other day.
Oh, this is like a F1 light.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's a nice light. Like I can put it on for you.
For sure.
Yeah, that light, and then outside, and then on the.
What size wheels are these?
These are 265 35 18s.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, the stock ones are on 245s. 245 40, but I was like, let me just get a bit wider here.
Sure.
And then that's that, and then the gauges I still need to install.
Okay.
Right? Installing a boost controller now.
Yes, I saw.
Yes.
Yeah.
On the inside, look, the engine I've done forged internals. I've done bigger.
Let's go to it. Since you're talking about it.
Valve or dump valve, whichever you prefer calling it.
And it's HKS.
Yes.
How much did that set you back?
It's about $4,000 in South African rands.
Fuck.
Yeah, 4,000 rand.
Did you import it or?
No, I got it from a friend of mine actually he used to have the hatchback, same car.
Okay. Yes.
So yeah, when he sold his hatchback, I was like, dude, I want that dump.
Wow.
So it's that, and then look, I need so I'm doing this.
Intake.
The intake, yes, I'm doing the intake. I'm just getting quotations here and there, but apart from that, I've got the downpipe, full exhaust.
Nice.
Bigger turbo, 20G. And I got 1000cc injectors.
TD05 or TD06?
or it's a 20G. So
Yeah, for sure.
it's a 20G. And then what was that? Yeah, I got 1000cc injectors. Obviously because I run ethanol all the time.
Oh shit.
Yeah. So I run about 20% ethanol all the time.
So is that like E85 kind of thing?
No,
in the States, they...
So E85 means 85% ethanol.
I see,
right? And
I see.
50% petrol.
Oh.
E20, which is 20% ethanol. And 80% petrol.
Okay.
For daily,
for sure.
It's not bad. Like you get a bit extra power.
Nice. And like, is it power? Is it recognizable? Can you feel it?
You can.
Is it?
Yeah, no, you definitely can. Because obviously the tune I have is for
that fuel.
Because obviously that's why you get 1000cc injectors.
Okay.
Ethanol is a bit thicker than 1000cc
to push it through, more space to go through. Okay.
You get 1000cc or more. Actually 1500cc, but
your gas, dude.
Yeah, but otherwise, yeah, man. Forged internals isn't much.
Which ones? The pistons, crank?
So the pistons I got. Is it bicycle?
Yes.
Bicycle?
Yeah, I call them Wiseco.
Wiseco? Hey, 2 minutes of water. You know what I'm saying? So I got those. I got what else have I got? I got the APR bolts.
Nice.
ARP bolts or ARP bolts.
Okay.
So those obviously are good for power because the stock ones
for tensioning and all that shit.
If you push to a lot of power, the stock ones do come apart. Whereas in these ones, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys. So that's basically.
Jesus, how long have you been building this car, bro? You've done some serious shit, dude.
About 5 years I've had it.
Fuck.
Only started getting serious about building it about 3 years ago. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, man. Okay, guys, so we're about to take a ride in this monster. I don't know what else to call it. Apparently it's a master. It's a sensor.
Just drive nice just to get it up to temperature.
For sure. Yeah, no, because these things need a lot of dainty. But we don't mind. We love them. Plus you get to listen to the rumble while you're right now. Yeah, you know.
So I don't know what else I need to say
So do you know what numbers
Look, I haven't been to a dyno recently, but it should be on the wheels. I should be pushing about 190 to 200 kilowatts.
Okay.
190 to 200 kilowatts on the wheels, and then that translates to about 270 on the engine.
Yeah, on the flywheel.
On the flywheel, yeah. So that's basically 260. It still tells me, man, I've got boys who are pushing almost double that, you know.
I saw some guy on the group talking about 360.
Yeah, that's Scooby's car. His car was in that car.
Is that even usable?
Big boy. Yeah, look, and it's his daily car. Eh?
Wow.
Yeah, he built it so, and he's self-built, self-tuned.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's cool, we'll edit that out.
So, self-built, self-built, self-tuned. Like a lot of the Scooby Brothers are very talented guys.
I love that. We get them on a friend to learn that.
Very good, yes. This is self-built. You know, everything I do myself.
Thank you, Mr. Delivery Truck. Okay. I don't even think you were really hitting it there, but
Are you telling us you're coming now?
like I feel like you weren't hitting it, but fuck.
Yeah, that's...
160 kilowatts to the flywheel.
There we go.
200 to the wheels. Oh,
That's it.
shit. Nah, thank you so much, dude. You've made my day.
Not a problem.
True.
Now, should have got that crackling in that
Yeah, you got some pops there.
Yeah, man. It's always fun. It's always fun. But you have to respect the kids.
No, for sure. For sure. Oh my god. That's a,
Enough speed, huh?
no, big fan, dude. Big fan. My laptop is unleaded.
Well, then we don't say you, huh? So if I need a transfusion.
Yeah. Got you, man.
There we go.
Woo! Hey, this is funny. Nice.
There we go.
Oh shit. That's what I'm talking about. Thanks a lot, dude.
Not a problem.
Alright, fellas. So you heard it here first. Nth Level Entertainment, aka Project Zangetsu, now has a team that we'll be working with, and we'll be bringing you guys a lot of content. I am so sorry I've been quiet for so long. That was not intentional, but I am hoping that I am now ready for the big stuff, and I shouldn't be disappointing you guys, hopefully. My bad, guys, but thank you for staying subscribed. Thank you for your patience. It means a lot to me. I am not just saying that for the sake of the camera, because I mean, you guys had nothing to watch. You could have unsubscribed at any time, but you stayed. So I'm going to make good on that by delivering more consistent content. So guys, thank you very much. The Scooby Brothers Instagram page, I will link that down below, as well as the YouTube channel that one of their members has. I'm not quite sure about what the name is or whose channel it is exactly, but once I find out, I will be linking it down below. Please check them out, please subscribe, please keep supporting us, guys. Thank you so much. I've been Zangetsu aka Z the Entertainer. Thank you for chilling with us. As usual, people, stay awesome, take care of each other, stay chasing your dreams to infinity and beyond.